Let's make these crispy, cheesy homemade pizza pockets. If you are looking for a quick, delicious, and kids-approved snack, then this is a game changer. Perfect for iftar, lunch boxes, or fun family dinner. Start with making the dough. You can find all the dough ingredients in the captions below. This dough is so simple to make and you can use it for all kind of pizza recipes. Keep this dough covered in an oil bowl in a warm place for a few hours or until doubled and well risen. I keep it mostly in my microwave because it's warm and humid most of the time. If you are at warmer places, you don't have to keep it inside your microwave or oven. Now apply oil on your hands and knead the dough lightly to decrease it again to its original size and let it rest. Now make your chicken filling. Again, the ingredients and recipe is in the caption. After half an hour, divide the dough into half equal portions. This is the double batch, so I am dividing it in 4 different portion sizes. Now roll out the dough onto a surface sprinkled with cornmeal. This will not only prevent the dough from sticking to the rolling pin, but also will give an amazing texture to the dough. Before I used to flour the surface, but now I find this trick much better. Once you have rolled all the dough into a big rectangle, you can line a baking tray with this dough. Try to make it even with your hands. Now you need to make small holes with the help of a fork on the dough so it can be baked evenly. After that, spread the pizza sauce in small portions on the rolled out pizza dough. Top it up with cooked chicken and cheese. You can also use any kind of veggies which you want. Since my kids don't like veggies in their pizza pockets, I avoid them. Now roll out the second layer of dough like we did the first layer and place on top of the first layer with all the toppings. Combine the edges of the pizza pockets with the help of a wooden spatula like this. This will help the pizza pockets to retain their shapes while baking. In a small bowl, mix together oregano, olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, and some chili flakes. Brush it up on top of the pizza pockets. Don't forget to poke holes in between the pizza pockets. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. And you have your pizza pockets. Now with the help of pizza cutter, divide each pocket while they're still hot. You can enjoy this with a garlic sauce or with some of the sauce which we made for the filling. You can store them in an airtight bag inside your fridge or freezer. You can sprinkle some extra chili flakes on top of it if you like more heat. Don't forget to like and share this recipe. Hope you enjoy this recipe this Ramadan.